Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is March 9, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you for tuning in today. All right, looking at this market, we're going to take a look at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures are higher today by about 7 3/4 points to 19.88 3/4 per contract at the moment. Futures were actually a little bit higher, but they have faded a little bit. But they did recover pretty much all of yesterday's losses, so we'll see how that all plays out. But nonetheless, we do have some stocks in the news. So first off the bat, we're going to talk about Chipotle Mexican Grill. This stock continues to be in the news, and what you're going to see here is the stock is trading at around $508.49. It closed at $524.69. Looks like there is a store in Massachusetts that has been shut down. Looks like some employees got sick. We don't really care about the news. What we care about is the price action and the way the stock is moving. And right now, when you take a look at the chart, it's just pulling back a little bit today. I think yesterday a lot of this was factored in. You did hit a lot of resistance around the 540 level, and you are getting a pretty good pullback. So sit tight with Chipotle Grill. We'll watch the pattern over the next few days. We'll see where it plays out, and we'll keep an eye on it intraday if you are trading in the intraday stock chat room. So again, Chipotle Grill could be in play today. Let's take a look at AGIO. I'm going to see this stock today is trading around $41.49, basically where it closed, but this could be a mover today. I did see some news on it a little bit earlier, so keep it on the radar. Next up, we're going to take a look at BUFF, which is Blue Buffalo Pet Products. They make dog food and cat food and such. Stock is getting a really good bid today. It closed at $18.56 yesterday. It's trading at around $21 now. I don't see a lot of upside here past $21.50. So just be very careful. If you do own this, trail the stop loss. It's generally a light volume name, meaning rarely does it trade 1 million shares a day. It usually trades around 500,000. Some days it does trade up to 1 million. But either way, I don't really see this getting much above $21.50. So keep that on the radar today. It is a new issue. It's only been around a short period of time. I believe it debuted in July of 2015. So again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you do not own it, I would not be a buyer here. Let's take a look at EXPR, and what you're going to see here. Stock is trading at $20.25. Closed at $19.04. Great move here. We'll give this the max move upside to around $21.25. I don't really see it getting above there. Not sure it'll even get there today. But Express, if you own it, trail the stop loss immediately. And again, if it gets to 21.25, I would consider a fade play or a short on it. But I'll have to look at the chart when we get there. And again, if you want to trade this or anything else alongside of us, come take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing. We have had a sensational, and I do mean the word sensational, 2016. So it's just been really off the charts. It's been great action. And again, I think we're going to keep that going throughout the end of the month and into the rest of the year. All right, let's take a look next at VRX. Everybody knows this one. And you're going to see Valeant Pharmaceuticals trading up a little bit today. Looks like there is some news. Looks like Bill Ackman's Pershing Square. He got some seats on the board of directors. Stock is trading a little bit higher. I'm not going to make much out of this one. We will look at it during the opening bell or once the opening bell rings, and we'll see how it plays out. But right now you are getting a little bit of an uptick there. Speaking of V's, we're going to look at Vera Bradley now, VRA, and you're going to see the stock is trading at around $18.40. There was some news. I think it's earnings here on this one. I don't see a lot of upside from here. So maybe it could push up a little bit more, maybe not. Again, this is one we will look at once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look at Darden Restaurants, ticker symbol DRI. And what you're going to see here for Darden Restaurants is the stock is trading at $66.39. Again, nice little pop here. This is on third quarter guidance. They upped their guidance a little bit. But nonetheless, stock, in my opinion, when you get to around $66.50, $67, that's where it kind of runs out of steam. So, again, don't look for too much upside from here. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. Let's take a look at GIS, which is good old General Mills. Looks like that is trading higher today. I did see some news on it earlier. I think they announced a quarterly dividend increase of 5%. So, again, nice little pop, but there's no volume behind the move. And again, I really have a hard time seeing this get much above 61.50 or so. So if you do own General Mills, fantastic. Try out your stop loss. If you don't own it, very difficult, in my opinion, to buy an overbought equity like this. And this is overbought at this point in time. Let's take a look at one more here, ATSG. And this is Air Transport Services Group. And it looks like they signed a contract with Amazon to deliver product. So again, nice little pop there. This is $11.77 stock, now trading at around $14.54. Let me be clear, this is overbought on every metric. So again, do not chase this higher. If you own it, trail the stop loss. I might even consider fading the name if it was a heavier volume stock. But on a good day, it trades about 500,000 shares. On a normal day, trades probably 250,000. So again, I'm a little hesitant there. But either way, the stock is very, very overbought. Congratulations on their contract. But it is a very, very overbought equity at this point in time. So do not chase this higher. All right, we have gold down $9.10 today. Right now, gold futures are sitting at $1,253.70 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD. That is down pretty significantly. If you take a look at the gold miners today, they are down as well. So be careful here. Gold and gold miners are both down for the count today. Looking over at the oil market, crude oil is up 56 cents. Crude had quite a sell-off yesterday. Today it's rebounding up a little bit. Not sure what to make out of it. I still think crude is overbought, and it's 38 is just a huge resistance level, but we'll see how the market plays itself out. And again, right now, crude oil futures up 58 cents to $37.08 a barrel. All right, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish everybody a great trading day. Once again, if you want to come over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we are doing in there. And like I said, we've had a sensational 2016, and we're going to look to keep that going all the way into the rest of the year. And once again, if you want to try it out, come over, take the 7-day free trial. You'll see what it's all about. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.